Hello everyone, I'm Xuan with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at a research lab in Northeast Forestry University in Harbin City, Northeast China's Heilongjiang province. Here is one of the centers of China's emerald tiger research and conservation. Emerald tigers, also known as Siberian tigers, mainly reside in China's northeast regions and Russia's far east. As one of the world's most endangered animals, only about 10 wild emerald tigers were believed to be living in China in 1996. Since the 1990s, China took a slew of measures to increase their numbers and help these tigers to return their natural habitat. Today, I'm in emerald tiger conservation to help us know more about the return of emerald tigers. Welcome, Mr. Jiang.
Okay, and I'm happy to show our lab, and for this lab is transboundary cooperation with Russia colleague, and our AI teams, especially for some new technology for the emerald tiger conservation. I will show you.
Okay. So as we move into the so important to protect the emerald tigers, what are the importance of emerald tigers to the protection of local ecosystems?
Emerald tiger is the only tiger species in the Northeast Asia, and is the flagship species in the North temperate forest, especially the Russia and China Northeast Asia forest ecosystem. Now, all the international organisms and the governments also focused on their protection. And now, we have conduct many conservation research projects, especially for their population monitoring, their habitat assessment, and also how to recover their prey populations.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Jiang. We have already know that yours. So, what has the population of emerald tigers changed? Is it in a steady recovery?
Yeah, and especially for the China government had conducted the natural forestry protection project since 1998, and now the emerald tiger habitat quality increased rapidly, especially for the past. Some new technology we have conducted some research, especially for some AI technology, and we have collaborated with some enterprise, especially for this is AI team worked with us. Another is for the emerald tiger distribute across the Sino-Russia border area, and now we also collaborated with the Russia colleagues for this road move academician, and they are focused on and for the China government to do some conservation works across the large scale.
Yes, you mentioned about international cooperation and also some new technologies applied to emerald tiger protection.
Yeah.
That is something I believe we will all be very interested in. So could you please give us a brief introduction of the new technologies?
We have developed 4 platforms. One is for the camera trap data set analysis platform. And we will use this platform, and our team focused on the Heilongjiang province, Jilin province, and Shanxi, and Inner Mongolia, and including the national parks of China for the tiger and leopards. Yeah. And for species individual identifications. Another is, and we can calculate the population density of the armored tiger and their prey. You can see the population spatial distributions.
So it's here.
Yeah, and this is we will use the video data to identify which this picture is
other animals, their prey.
And this is the prey, and this is the tigers, and you can show this animal's population density. Oh, this is for the tiger individual identification. Use the AI, and we can use this.
We can see different patterns of different armored tigers.
Yeah. We can use this AI. This is for the armored tiger is very difficult to identify because of we should collect the big data of the in the population, and we can more than 1,000 tigers the pictures of their body patterns. Yeah, so we can get more than 90% accuracy of this. Yeah, for this we can give each year each species population densities. For this the deep color, the red colors is the high density of the tigers. The blue colors are other prey population. Okay, this picture is show us the armored tiger's prey population density is the sick deer. The sick deer's population the population densities is the hair density here, and we can show this. I think this is it's easy for the government to say the population conditions and their spatial conditions. Yeah.
That's actually quite clear. Are there any other technological advancements?
Yeah. And we also developed the drones and to assess the structure of the habitat of the armored tigers and their prey. And we also use the drones with use this equipment to fix the animals. Maybe the animals conflict with the local people. We will use this equipment
to prevent potential conflicts.
Yeah.
And what is this introduction here?
I think it says for the colors. This color can get information from the 4G, and when the bird went into the areas with 4G information, we can get all the tracking data. But for the tigers, for some mammals, they live small areas, and their living area maybe there's not the 4G information. So we developed equipment under the Beidou camera trap. We can transport the pictures from the camera trap and from the colors, the areas of the areas without the 4G information. So no equipment for this in I know no such equipment now. Yeah.
So it's mainly a tracking device or tracking system.
Yeah.
With the
we
help
have we capture them and colored to tracking it for 1 year and to control their its conflict. And the other animals we also control them and equip it with the animals. Another is for the vibrating spectrum for the armored tigers. For the armored tigers and other animals, we use this to conduct when the armored tigers may be easy to escape our monitoring systems. But for this, we can use the fibers. We can use this underground and include the villages, and we will use this to get the information of the armored tigers or bears. These the fierce animals. We can use these systems to get warning.
Human-tiger conflicts.
Yeah.
So after the introduction, I think we are all very eager to know about some real equipments used in animal conservation.
Yeah. We also, our teams, and worked with some international colleagues, especially we also cooperated with the WWF, WCS, and the Russia colleagues for the tiger conservation research. And we also like this, and we study one equipment. We can drill the tigers near the village and use the laser equipment. But for this, we cannot hurt them. But we should get the one threshold strength of the heat. So, and we will do some many times tests for this. Yeah.
So it's basically using lasers for stray tigers.
Yeah.
Once the lasers becomes a little maybe uncomfortable for the tigers, and then the tigers will leave.
No, and we will don't break the skin, and but we will let them to feel pains. Yeah. We will let them to feel the pain, but cannot be hurt. Yeah, and so for this, and this is some equipment, and we also use some drones, the big and the small, with the many camera traps for this, so, and to do some new technologies for the control the tiger and human conflict, and also do some monitoring works for this.
We see different types and different scales of the drones.
Yeah.
So, for example, what is the largest drone for?
Yeah. This is for the large ones. We will use this to hide under the forest landscape and to assess this. For the small ones, we will the low heat over the tree, and maybe sometimes go through the forest and to detect animals. So the different types we will different roles for the tiger research.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we see a multi-layered monitoring system of armored tigers enabled by technologies have also drawn attention of international organizations and scholars. We are also very honored to be joined by Mr. Marcus Reddy, a WWF officer responsible for the tiger conservation program in China. Welcome, Marcus.
Hello.
Please take a seat. So for the future, what do you think are the innovative technologies that can be used to resolve human-tiger conflicts and promote human-tiger harmonious coexistence?
Yeah, I start with pointing out range in Asia, but for specific countries, and China belonged to those 5 countries who have really had good successes in tiger conservation. But Having more tigers also mean more potential conflict with humans. Yeah? And often these conflicts take place in areas where people are poor. It may not be the case in the province of Heilongjiang and Jilin in China, but if we think about places in India and Nepal, there are people who really lose a lot of animals like goats and cows to tigers for the future. And we need to reach that humans can live in coexistence with tigers. And here technology comes in. What is very important is often human-tiger conflicts occur in areas where the people are very poor. So we need to have cost-effective technologies. So, for example, early warning systems through automatic detection cameras, camera traps, that at the same time give warning signals to the people who live in the area that a tiger has been detected. And these systems can be improved further, tech and companies who work on these technical issues.
Now, China is home to more than 70 wild armored tigers, with new armored tiger cubs born in the wild. China is also investing its new technology and applying new methods to the harmonious coexistence of human and tigers. It is never an easy task to befriend with its mighty fellows, but China is determined to write its stories. Would welcome you to come to Heilongjiang to know more about the armored tigers and their stories.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.